We're live.
Cut.
We had a little rental house in Brizzy there. We had a house, we've rented the house. No, cut.
Did you look at your notes?
No, I didn't. I haven't looked at my notes. Look at the frog that's
There's
on
a
the camera.
frog on the camera.
Look at your photo though. There's a little frog that's climbed all the way at the top of that camera. So, back to original programming.
Hang on.
Oh, was it recording?
What?
What are we cooking for lunch there, Lanes?
We're just making cheeky little bacon and chicken burger.
Got this.
Bit of a mix because we just sort of what we had in the fridge. So we got a bit of bacon and chicken. Got some egg that I had cooked up yesterday. Some lettuce and cheese. We're gonna bang that all together in a delicious burger.
Oh,
But first, I need my butter to butter the bread.
going over here with the butter.
Some douchebag put it out in the sun.
Whoa! Douchebag! And here we are at bloody Cape Palmerston for the day, for lunch. For lunch?
Fine. This is what we call making up something from scratch. Improvising with what we have in the fridge.
Oh, do I want to be part of the sauce? Yes! So, we've just broken our batwing awning. I know better, it's not tie things down, but we've had it out and I buried the feet in the sand, but we was fine for an hour. And this tiny little gust, one little gust, bang, comes straight underneath, picked it up straight over the roof. So we've snapped a few things here, but we've just snapped a few of these hinges in here, but that's where they're designed to break too. So that's a good thing, it hasn't bent the poles, just snap that. So I can take that out. I think they come with a couple of new knuckles that I've got inside there. So yeah, lesson learnt. Always tie your batwing awning down. Always. I'll have that fixed this afternoon, so happy days.
Morning.
Morning.
We're leaving Notch Point.
Yeah, 3 nights here.
3 nights.
Free camping.
And we must say,
Awesome.
yeah, it's been impressive.
Hey.
We would definitely highly recommend.
Yeah.
And
Nicest free camp we've stayed in
Yeah.
so far. Easily. Like, you'd pay money to stay here. That's
Yeah.
how nice it is. There's no amenities, you've got to have everything with you, but we're off-grid, we've got everything, so.
yeah, and I think it would actually be a highly sought after place if people knew more about it.
Yeah, I do too.
It was beautiful. Beaches, views. It was lovely. So definitely would stay longer if we had the opportunity.
Yeah.
Yeah, but time requires us to move on.
Yeah.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
What do we have here?
We have got a steak, bacon and cheese pie from the Pinnacle pub, I think it's called. Pinnacle, yeah, Pinnacles. Right near Eungella. And look at the size of the bloody thing. Look at it, it's huge. So,
We're going to share it.
oh yeah, cut it in half. Large latte, thanks for coming.
Okay, do the cutting. Do the honours.
Big grand reveal, eh? That's a nice good coffee. That is a pie. Yeah, look at that. Oh,
Show us inside.
Stop it.
Oh, delicious.
Good old fashioned meat pie.
Yum.
So.
staying in Mackay for the past week. Ben's been away on his second last tour.
Oh, yeah, second
Where he
last.
takes about 4 months off.
Yeah, 4 months. 4 months straight.
4 months straight.
That's going to be nice.
So we're heading up to Eungella. A bit of an exploration around there. We'll stay there a couple of nights. And whereas Finch Hatton
Yeah,
Gorge.
Finch Hatton Gorge, check that out. Do a couple of walks down there.
Yep.
Supposed to be a good bit of mountain walk, actually. Younger, I just heard.
Yep.
So,
Get
yeah.
our training in.
Yeah. Couple days ride on that.
Yeah. We've been doing a bit of ride yesterday actually, just around Mackay, which was nice.
Yeah.
And getting the K's up for our training from Cape to Cape.
Yeah.
And what else?
That's about it, really. Just keen to check the area out.
You put a new solar panel on
Oh, yeah, for a start.
yesterday.
Yeah, so we've got 450 watts now of solar on the roof of the van. So,
Yep. Fixed up a few technical wiring issues on there
Yeah.
from the original installation. So that might have not been producing as much power for us as we needed.
yes, found some dodgy work, but anyway, that's all right.
So that's sorted. Been to Bunnings today, got some few bits and pieces. We've got some dairy lights up in the van.
Been to Bunnings.
Pretty.
And didn't get any firewood either. So,
No firewood.
so anyway, yeah, no, we've been to Bunnings, so we've got some straps, we've got some lights, we've got some conduit, fixed a few little things up, some lights, locked the gas bottles up, and then, yeah.
Got a fridge full of food, been to the butchers, put everything we need from yesterday. A couple of bottles of cheap bottles of red in there.
Yeah.
Beer is cold.
Oh, yeah.
We are good. Peace out.
Yeah.
See you at Eungella Dam.
Okay, here we are. Cheers, babe.
We're going to cheers at the end.
Oh,
Cheers. Been here, three
nights now.
nights already. And first day was gorgeous.
Like this.
And the last 2 days have been a bit rainy,
Yeah,
overcast.
Overcast. But today,
Beautiful.
epic.
Give a bit of a trip update.
So we checked out, we went for a little bit of a hike yesterday in the Eungella National Park. So Louis in the van for the day. Nice and cool. We
Rainy.
got attacked by the bloody, what were they? What would you call
Leeches?
them? The worm monsters.
Worm monsters, yes.
Worm monsters. Leeches.
Leeches.
They were everywhere. It was pretty gross, actually.
Yeah, they were jumping on our shoes and
Yeah. Oh, bloody everywhere.
climbing the legs. And
So I took the liberty of putting another solar panel on the roof. So we've now got 450 watts of solar on top of here, on top of our caravan. And providing it's in the sun, so you've got to kind of park it in the sun to get the solar, obviously. So that's good. 450 watts of solar. It's been cranking the power out, so that's been sweet.
And even yesterday, it being overcast.
Yeah, being semi-overcast. Yeah, we've still got a good amount of power back into the batteries. We spent
Yeah.
What day did we spend? 2 days ago. It was really bad. It was raining and overcast and cold and windy. So we actually stayed the whole day in the caravan, more or less. And Lena was on her computer and I was watching TV and playing the Switch. So we were using power all day, and the batteries lasted. And now they're back to full charge. So the solar off, like we're completely off grid at the moment. So it's been
Collecting water as well.
collecting water. Got this little rain saver gutter thing there.
It's awesome.
Yeah, we're not paid to say that either.
But it is awesome.
Not paid
Yeah.
to say anything, actually. But yeah, no, it's really good. It just collects water off the thing here. You might be able to see the makes a little gutter out of the awning, and it runs down into the bucket. And that bucket's got like just a big filter just to get the leaves and bloody branches out. But then runs down to a little jerry can that we've got. It's got a 20 litre jerry can, and that filled that once, didn't it?
Yep.
Pretty light rain, so
So that topped up the
tanks. We had some nice long hot showers last night, which was
beautiful.
bloody awesome. Oh, we saw platypus yesterday.
Oh, we did. Yeah.
Yeah, we saw 3 or 4 of them. They were just chilling around and hunting around. So
Where was that at?
that was at Broken River there.
Broken River.
You drive across the Broken River and
Like the little platypus viewing platforms.
yeah, so that was cool. We've been doing a bit of Cape to Cape training because that's coming up. What is the date? That's coming up soon. We've probably got
Is it the 17th?
yeah
18th,
17th.
19th?
So we're probably 3.5 months out. So we've been doing a bit of training, doing a couple of bigger rides, and
Getting the K's up for
on
that.
the bike. So that's been good. That's actually been pretty good. We got to get a couple of different seats for the bikes because It's hurting. It's hurting. It's hurting. So got to change some seats up, but we can do that.
It's leaving some bruises.
Yeah, it's not enjoyable. Really, sitting on the bike for 50 k's or 55 k's on a mountain bike. So over 4 days, that is going to be sore.
Oh, put some fairy lights up in the van.
Oh,
fairy lights.
Fairy lights. Luna's had a little womanly touch in there.
This van's a rocking.
Stabilisers are down. So been having a couple of fires. The stars out here at Eungella. Oh my god. Yeah, it's ridiculous. When you turn all the lights off, and even when you turn the light, get the fire away. Yeah, amazing. Beautiful, absolutely.
I highly recommend Eungella Dam.
Yeah. We've picked a good little spot too behind the camera, which I might show you in a second. The wind's quite strong, but we're in a little pocket here, just protected by a bit of hills behind you, and yeah.
So you drive into this more to the left. People have done some things in the trees as well too, like there's a little push bike being put up there.
Yeah.
And there's a swing, and it's just been really nicely taken care of. We've got a beautiful fire.
Yeah. There's heaps of fire. You can get heaps of firewood on the way in. There's cattle properties and stuff, all fallen trees. We've just got the old electric chainsaw out, and the electric chainsaw, that's right. But then from here, from where we are now, it's going to be my last tour. I go back in a couple of days for my last tour at work, so my last week at work for 4 months. While we're going to be leaving from Townsville middle of July, and we're heading straight west. You know, we could go east, but you wouldn't get too far, so we're going to go straight west. We've been debating about whether to go lithium. So at the moment, we've got two 120 amp hour AGM batteries in there, and we've been debating about whether to go to a lithium setup.
It's the great debate.
It is the great debate. It's a hot topic. I'm sure a few of the boys at work, if they're watching this, will be laughing their asses off at the moment. But yes, it is, the debate's on at the moment whether we switch over to lithium for a long-term option or whether we just stay with the AGMs. But so far, the AGMs have been pretty good. I think if you've got the right you got the right amount of solar to charge the batteries, if you even just run a little generator, your AGM is going to be more than sufficient. Like we're running a 2,000 watt inverter off them, so I don't really know if that's recommended off those type of batteries. I don't think so, but yeah, I think the maximum load's about 1,300 watts out of the hairdryer. Is the heaviest thing, isn't it? And it's not for me. I don't need it, so.
We have to have the hairdryer. I've got to have my Dyson.
Got to have the Dyson. Got to have the Dyson hairdryer. So, yeah. So that's the hot debate.
We need to weigh out whether that option of the overall cost is going to outweigh. Is going to be advantageous.
Long term, I think so. Long term, AGM batteries will last around about 2 years, depending on how you look after them. And we're sticking to a pretty strict rule of discharging only about 50% capacity. But
and because our trip is indefinitely, like we don't have an end date of when this trip is. You know, it's not really a trip; it's a lifestyle choice for us now. So
yeah,
because it is a lifestyle choice, it is more highly regarded to go that option.
Yeah,
because it is going to be beneficial long term. If this was just a 12-month trip for us, then yeah, they probably wouldn't weigh as high a choice. This is the great debate.
You're going to have to do a rig rundown soon of both things.
Rig rundown of you. They might want to know.
They might. Probably settled into the groove now, I think, of travelling. We're, what would you say, 3-4 months on the road?
Not even.
3 months? Roughly 3 months. Say 2.5 months. Say 3 months. 3 months now we've been on the road, and now we can probably finally say we've kind of worked out the groove, we've worked out kind of everything, the water, the power, the toilet, how it all works, the routine of it all, how it all meshes together, the food side, the electricity side, the camping side, and actually relaxing. Mindset
now.
That's probably been the biggest thing.
Settled in.
Just slowing down. Like we've worked out the awning finally now. Like we've properly got that done. And Mackay, I went down and got a few bits and pieces. We've had the easy anchors.
They're great.
They are fantastic.
Really love those.
Drill in and out. Simple. No more tent pegs. Get rid of your tent pegs.
Yeah.
If you're half serious about it. They're expensive, but they're
well worth it.
They're worth it. They're so worth it.
And I feel confident enough to get on the drill.
Yeah. Straight in.
In and out.
Straight in and out. Done. There's no hammers, no pulling it out. Yeah, so far they've got everything. We've got the guide ropes now. A little spring system straight up to the roo. What are they? Rock and roo paws or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Roo paws onto the awning. That's it. Just got two of the easy anchors into this awning down here. One there, and this has done what 40k wind. So this has done some serious wind.
Yeah.
And we just got the standard little bloody deflappers there. We haven't gone the rafters or the full deflapper kit yet. We're just cheers. Catches.
Yo!
Good work. That's enough waffling, eh? Good job, yeah. The sun's
We are finished up at Eungella
with a Y but an E.
Eungella Dam. And we're just doing the rubbish run. And then we are going to go see the platypuses again and down at Broken River.
Yeah.
And then we're going to head back to Mackay. I'm going to be there for 9 days while Ben's at work for the next week. And then this is his last tour and he's got 4 months off. And yeah, so I'll get into a bit of fitness and bike riding. And that's our plan. So bye to this beautiful place. Too friendly. He just loves everyone. Like,
don't you?
He'd love a crocodile.
Yeah, crocodile love him too. So.